Hello. In this video we are going to make a title animates on hovering and a custom cursor as a magical stick instead of the regular mouse. For HTML file, we will make a div with class container. Inside it two divs, first for the cursor with class name cursor, second one is for the title with class name title, and we will set another attribute for text we want in the title called data text. Then we will add some basic style for class container. We will set display to flex, align item center, justify content center, width 100 view width, height 100 view height, and a background color. Then we will the title text by JavaScript, so in script file. We will select the title element using query selector for class title. Then we get the text by using getAttributeDataText. Now we want to convert those text to an array of spans and put those spans in the title. So we set title inner HTML to title text.split. This will convert this text to array. So we map over this array for every letter we return a span contain this letter. Now if we save we see the text, but there is a comma between every letter. To get rid of it we will use an array method called join. Now if we inspect, we will see those spans. Now let's style this title. For title class, we want to make a linear background for the text only. We will set background image to linear gradient, to right. Background clip to text and a WebKit for not supported browsers. In order to see it we have to make the text color to transparent. Then for spans inside title class, we set font size to 3 rem, font family to Poppins. Font weight to 700. Now there is a problem, the span that contain the space between the two words have a width of 0. To fix this we set the min width to 15 pixels. It didn't work because span is an inline element. To solve that we convert it to inline block. And we convert the text to uppercase. Now let's deal with hover state. We set an animation called Jello, duration 1 second, ease forwards. Then we will add this keyframe called Jello. Now when we hover the letter disappear. That's happened because its color is transparent. To solve this we set color for hover state to blue. Next we will work on the custom cursor. For cursor we set position absolute. Top 0. Left 0. Width 62.5 pixels. Height 100 pixels. A background with SVG of magical stick. Background size to contain, background repeat to no repeat. Now it appears on the top left on the page. Next we want to move it to where page cursor exists. Next we select the container and cursor with query selector. Next we add an event listener on container to listen for mouse move. We need to get the position of the cursor to do so. For X position we get a property called client X on mouse event. For Y position we use client Y, if we log these two value. We will see it and it changes on mouse move. Then we will translate our custom cursor to page cursor position. We need to do some modification to make page cursor near the stick in the SVG. Then we set the cursor for the container to none. It doesn't work perfect. To solve this we set the isolation property on the title to isolate. Last thing, we want this stick to disappear when we move out the container and appear again when we move in. So we will add another event listener on the container to listen on mouse out, and we set the opacity of the cursor to 0. On mouse move we will set the opacity back to 1. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.